There's a bird picking.
That's the red billet.
Oh yes, it's just eating off him.
Yeah. Picking up all the food.
Well, that's probably quite helpful for him.
It's like a cleaning station.
Yeah, he's here. He doesn't mind.
I don't think much of his diet. That's good for him, isn't it?
Yeah.
Symbiotic.
Oh look, he's off. He's off. Oh God, it's huge. Oh, you wouldn't want that coming at you, would you? No. In the dark. So maybe no camping after all.
No camping.
Oh yes.
Good picture. That's a good picture.
Look at the crate, you can get the crater and line in the back.
Just resting his trunk on on his.
Oh.
Look at my new trick. Beautiful tusks.
It's not a good shot.
I've got one good one.
It's rolling over just to make it nothing can come out.
Mm. Well, he performed 6 times in a minute and a half.
happy.
That's when you're finished.
I'm done. Yeah, go. Nibbling.
They do, yeah. That's easy again. Okay.
Oh, that was good.
It's good that he manages to do that quite so frequently. Not so friendly afterwards, eh? I don't like a cuddle afterwards.
Should we join the meeting?
He's still very strong.
Carried away after this morning.
So take that's a male.
That is oh man.
Definitely a male.
How can you tell?
Long tail.
Extra leg.
Second tail.
The extra leg.
Yeah. Doing good at this sporting business.
Very graceful and gorgeous animals, aren't they?
Okay.
So this is a tented camp in the Serengeti, and you've just seen the sunset. So we only have 5 tents. This is my tent. It's the last one of the 5 or 4. Quite interesting, I have to say. We've been in tents in Selu, and that was sort of different, but I have a triple. Let me just zip it, because apparently I have to zip these things, because apparently I have to be escorted in and out. But I have a triple, but you sleep and the wildlife is around you. How good is this? And anyway, very modern bathrooms. But sunset, as I see, and sunrise will be in the other part. I shall see sunrise, apparently, through the window. Anyway, you take care, guys. Bye.
What's unusual about it, Isaiah? Do you know much about it?
Sorry?
Is it unusual?
And
Oh, there's something coming up here. Oh, what's that?
that's our water.
Oh, there's...
Oh, he's hidden away because he saw me coming. He was walking. Oh, there he is. And stand still. I'll walk away.
How we feel here?
Yes, you talk with him.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
That's a baboon going through the
Good-
camp.
good morning.
We're complaining, as you'd understand,
Fine, thank you. Yes.
about our
So,
things. Baboon
we're
walking
very-
through the
we're-
camp.
Yes, we're very much happier
David,
here, thank you.
we're happier here. That's it. Yeah,
But we weren't, yeah, but we were not happy. Yes.
okay, there's Chrissy. She's happy, which is all that counts.
Yeah, do you remember your room name?
Twigger.
Trigger. What's the meaning of trigger?
I don't know.
Trigger means giraffe.
Giraffe.
So
Okay.
your room name is giraffe.
Ah,
Yeah.
and I am in
Soccer.
Sokwe. Soccer means. Oh, well, there you are. I'm the chimp. I think my wife will call me that most of the time. Or worse names than that.
You are welcome.
So, this is... my room has been... That's my bag.
Yeah.
Again, I have 3 beds.
Yeah. So you can.
So I got a
choose.
choice. I think I
Yep,
choose
yep.
the big one.
Washing room.
Washing room.
Yeah.
Over me. Again, wooden floor.
Yep.
Very nice. Commode. And a shower. And the water is 24/7, yeah?
Yes.
All the
You
time.
can have a shower anytime.
Anytime.
Yeah, anytime.
And the water, not drinkable
Yeah,
water.
this
No.
is not safe for drinking.
You'll provide the other bottled
Yes,
water soon.
yes.
So, no,
Yeah.
much better than yesterday. Thank you.
Okay. Enjoy.
Thank you. You saw the baboon walking across the camp and the tortoise. So here comes the water. And there's Chris and Chrissy. So I think I might stay here instead of going on safari this afternoon. I think the animals, it's too hot for me. So, I didn't tell you about the sweet, but remember, there's no alcohol here. Have a very long ride tomorrow, but just enjoying a wooden fire. Gonna switch off the lights, just enjoy the fire, and then go to sleep.
They've got long hair.
Yeah, they're like Afghan hens. Tails.
With long hair.
They're up there. See that branch that sort of spreads across? They're up there.
The one that's shaking.
See that branch?
Oh yeah,
that's
the same. Yeah.
My
down
camera's
on the
going to
cliff
catch him in a
There's 3
sunbathe.
of them there if you look carefully.
You see the feathers reach
wow,
out to